Husband don't know what he's done. Kids don't know what's wrong with mum. She can't say, they can't see. Putting it down to another bad day. Daddy don't know what he's done. Kids don't know what's wrong with mum. So this is how it feels to be lonely. This is how it feels to be small. This is how it feels when your word means nothing at all. Black car drives through the town. Some guy from the top estate left a note for a local girl, and yet he had it all on a plate. So this is how it feels to be lonely. This is how it feels to be small. This is how it feels when your word means nothing at all.
Because of coronavirus, you are going to be quarantined, but you have a choice. Do you A, quarantine with your wife and child, or B?
B.
If there's some fucker next to you, just keep your distance. Keep your fucking distance. 2 meters. 2 fucking meters. I'm fucking sick of telling you. I'm telling you till I'm blue in the fucking face. The sooner you behave, the sooner the fucking pubs will be open.
To leave a boy to drown in this violent swell.
Hello, I'm from the government with an urgent message about the coronavirus. We know many of you are confused. Some say it's no big deal. Italians are freaking out. The Chinese are hiding out. And Aussies seem to think the virus attacks your butthole. Medical experts have coined a scientific term to describe the situation we're now facing, a shit show. It's important to note that the shit show isn't caused by the virus itself, which we can manage, but rather by dangerous levels of egregious dumbfuckery spreading about the virus. Through forensic analysis, experts have traced the path of the dumbfuckery back to this malignant shit funnel, who said he's not worried about corona since it's no worse than the flu. One of the symptoms of dumbfuckery includes not understanding simple math, leading many to laugh off this virus for only having a death rate of about 2%. Since experts say the US alone could have 96 million cases, 2% of that comes to approximately a lot of fucking dead people. Of course, the death rate is much higher among older people. This has been largely dismissed due to another symptom of dumbfuckery, not caring about the elderly, or as experts call it, being an asshole. If left unchecked, this shit show can drastically worsen the impact of coronavirus by overwhelming a country's healthcare services. For example, the US only has 1 million hospital beds. Oh, and face masks will probably run out too. So as doctors and nurses get infected, there could also be a shortage of them. When you combine all that with a government that has no regard for science, a vastly uninsured workforce without sick leave, and millions of guns, you get what experts call a munted shit show. To avoid a munted shit show in your country, experts are now advising governments worldwide to be the exact opposite of America. If you're not already infected by dumbfuckery, we ask you to spread this graph among your friends and family, instead of bullshit memes. It shows how by flattening the contagion curve, we can slow down the spread of the virus so our hospitals and carers can cope. You can help flatten the curve by practicing hand hygiene, avoiding large gatherings, and phoning your doctor if you develop symptoms. Delaying the spread even by a month could prevent thousands of deaths, and not just corona deaths. It also means fewer deaths due to any emergencies requiring hospital care, which could mean you or your loved ones. And remember, if you do run out of toilet paper, Rupert Murdoch produces a wide range of bog roll replacements worldwide. This has been a message from your local government franchise. Goodbye.
Wash our hands, often to our elbows. These are the things we know. If people want to wear a mask, that is okay. These are the things we know. That prevents you from speaking moistly. Keep 2 meters apart. Speaking moistly. Keep 2 meters apart. Speaking moistly. I'm not a medical expert. These are the things we know. Keep 2 meters apart. What I have heard from medical experts, these are the things we know that prevents you from speaking moistly. Keep 2 meters apart. 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 Speaking moistly. Oh, what a terrible image.
Hello, Internet. It's Pluto here, and I'm getting the feeling that there's a time of crisis for the two-leggeds, and so I thought maybe I could share some perspectives from the four-leggeds, and maybe that could help you. So we like to just chill out at home, and we curl up, and we wander around and play with a tennis ball, and there's lots that you can do. And I heard that there's a crisis with the toilet paper, which I don't understand. I mean, for cats, I understand because they like to play with it, but cats aren't that important. But for humans, well, what my mom, what she does for me is she cuts the hair on my bum really, really, really short, and then so stuff it just comes straight out, and then there's no worry, it's all good. And then also, my other mom said that she went this morning and there was nothing in the grocery store, so she said there won't be any snacks today, but for me, it's really easy for snacks. You just go sniffing around a little bit, and if you live near like a little school or something, even if it's closed, there's going to be some leftover snacks around there for sure. And also at the end of the street, at the curb area where the water goes down, sometimes snacks get stuck around there. So it's a good place to check for a little snack if you're really hungry. So it's really very important that you all be good to each other. And the practice the social distancing, so you shouldn't sniff other people's legs, and you really shouldn't sniff their crotches until this whole thing is over. That's social responsibility. So I'm here if you need me, and I'm really wishing you some good luck, okay? All right, bye.
Shine your light when you forgive, I cry. You run your fingers through my hair and tell me it's worthwhile. It's all worthwhile. Even when I hate myself, even when I feel your pain when you cry, even when my heart is cold, you assure me it's worthwhile. It's all worthwhile. See what can't be seen. You repair the damage done to me. You see what can't be seen. You repair the damage done to me. You hold a candle I once lit. You shine your light when you forgive, I cry. You run your fingers through my hair and tell me it's worthwhile. It's all worthwhile. Even when I hate myself, even when I feel your pain when you cry, even when my heart is cold, you assure me it's worthwhile. It's all worthwhile. You see what can't be seen. You repair